Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm working on my 4th gen 4Runner and I unfortunately am replacing my front calipers again. I found out that when I was going through bleeding my brakes, I had to take something off, and I looked at the pistons on the caliper, and a piston on each side was slightly seized up. So I just went to the auto parts store. I got the Cardone reman calipers at Advanced Auto when I first got the 4Runner, which I made a video like when the driver's side like seized up really bad. So I got the remanufactured ones, which have a lifetime warranty, and now I'm having to replace it again. I'm also trying to hunt down this squeal, this slight squeal that happens whenever I'm driving between 35 miles an hour and up. It sounds like a brake pad is like kind of gliding, so it might have been the caliper sticking, not letting the pad release fully, but I don't know. This isn't really a how-to video, this is just an update. As you can see, I have my new calipers over here. I'm just about to install these again. So I'm gonna go through that whole process, installing them, and then I'm going to bleed the brakes. And then we're gonna go for a drive to see if there's like any squealing noise, and I'll try to hold the mic outside of the window so that way you can hear it. I'm just curious if anyone has come across this issue. I haven't done a 5th gen brake caliper upgrade yet, so I might need to do that in the future. I don't know. I'm running the brake pads I'm running, they're aftermarket Akebono, which are they're ceramic brake pads, and I have them on the Supra and they're fine. I don't have any issues. So I don't know if it's like brake pad material. Is it ceramic that's causing it? Should I go with the semi-metallic? Maybe you guys can let me know below. But I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and we're gonna go for a test drive to see what the heck is going on. So I'll be back whenever everything is all installed. All right, guys, I finally have both calipers on. I went ahead and bled them, and I'm about to go for a test drive. So I'm gonna hold the mic out the window and see if it starts squealing again. So let's find out. All right, so first off, I can already feel that the brake pedal feels a lot better. All right, I'm going 25, going 30. Oh, there goes my camera. It's like barely there. Huh. Alright, now this should be a road that I can at least get up to 42, and let's see if it squeals. Going 45, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, it's like it's barely doing it, but I still hear it. I don't know what that might be. It's kind of frustrating. All right, right now I'm going about 50, and I barely hear it. No, I hear it. So I don't know if it's just like the pad itself, or if it's like maybe squealing coming from, I don't know, like a body panel where air is like going through super fast. But I don't know, it almost sounds like just a metallic squeal. Yeah, I don't know. All right, guys, so there's that. Hopefully the audio could come out pretty well. I'm not too sure. We'll find out if you can hear that squeal whenever I'm editing this. But yeah, it's pretty annoying. I'm gonna go through just in case you guys are like, oh, it's a wheel bearing or something like that. So I've changed out my CV axles. I've changed out my wheel bearing. I've changed out the caliper. I got new rotors. I then thought that like, oh, maybe it's just a bad wheel bearing, which, you know, I don't know. You never know. So I warrantied that out, got a new set in, still the same thing. Then I just switched out these calipers and it's still doing the same thing. So I don't know if it's like a pad issue or what. If you guys can let me know below if you guys had any of these issues before, let me know. Or maybe it's just like how the wind's coming through in part of the body panel or something like that. Maybe it's just causing like a high-pitched like metallic squeal. It's annoying. It's been going on for a while. But anyways, I figured I'd give you guys an update about this, and hopefully there's some answers out there that you can help me. I've looked everywhere, and I didn't find a solution. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these, and I'll catch you on the next ride.